Right, so I got pulled out to this JCB because it's got an extra bit of metal in the fucking tyre. But I'm just going to see how well the piece break. I've obviously got the machine out just in case. Ah, fuck it. That's going to be needed. Right, we'll get my little one. That isn't working. This sounds like it's going to be a fun one. Little lever. Little lever. Just got a thinner end on it. Means I can, mate, to be fair, I should fucking beat off the topper. Beat off the wheel. I'll use that for a while. Not bad. Just another bit in. Need a little bit more room for my machine. And hopefully it'll fucking bite. That's nice. I'm sure I won't get them feet off. And legs. It's a bit bigger than that. I should bite them in. That's a good pop out. Away. That's a bit of water. Oh, yeah, mate. I'll let you watch me fucking struggle, bollocks. Oh, this will be a proper struggle. Just because. I don't know how many of you are avid followers or watchers of the video. But if you are, you'll know this isn't my only job. You know that I build fucking those voices during the day. I'm gonna come and get fucking cow shit at night. That's because I fucking enjoy it so much. To be fair, it doesn't feel too bad. I'll probably be putting on a fucking shovel like 16. That's that bit done. Now, this is the fun part, which is this bit. Because I'm right-handed, it's fucking really awkward. Oh, don't be like that. I literally haven't got a fucking ounce to swing in. Ouch. Not there. Fuck you. Ah, you twat. Oh, no, I think that's right. I thought I dropped it. I'm good, my big fucker will work. Thank you. Oh, ho, ho. A bit shorter. Okay. That's all in. Right, you missed that little bit because it's fucking film went out on the glasses. Well, I'm still struggling with the fucking back lead. Why? There you go, that's the fucking tyre loose. Now what we need to do, grind it down, remove object, then grind it down. So big it is. Keep up. The buttons. The buttons are shit. How you doing now? Yeah, no, that's quite big. Bring that round a bit. Now fucking hammer back. Turn it around a little bit more. How the fuck did that fucking bolt go through a tyre? No fucking point on it. It's impressive as that is, that's fucking mad, isn't it? Coming. Yeah, it's moving, but I'll probably get mould grips. That'll fucking help, won't it? Ollies, yes. Evening. What the fuck is that? Copper gate bar, hello. That looks pretty familiar, doesn't it? Oh, that looks pretty familiar. I'll give that to the customer in a minute. You need a grinder? And we need a... Fuck me, see how close that was? Oh mate, yeah, that's fine. That's the size of the patch. Little hole, straight over the top. Alright, that's gonna be fucking dusty and dirty. Ready? Oh yeah, and noisy. Torch. Oh mate, I just dripped sweat on my glasses then. Okay, now. Torch. You don't have to grind it already? Yeah, a little bit more than that. Looking better. It's looking better. Oh, look at that. Fucking idiot. That's not fucking another. Shit. Right, look. Fucking torch is running out of battery. Dickhead. Well, that, you can see that's big enough for it. Ground it, ground it, ground it. Yeah, lush. Yeah, nice. Nice. So, now what we do, you fucking just spray it with your tyre cleaner, tyre fuck on. I don't know. Dickhead fucking white. I'll get the excess buffer out as well. It looks very similar to one of them. But yeah, do you want to give it to Joe? Souvenir. Yeah, I've just cleaned it off. Take that back. With blue. Also Nico. The famous later. Whoa! I know, but it's sticker in the ticket. On the seal. Put it on there. Holy load. Looks like I've got the phone for a torch. Hey, look at that shit's me on. Fucking hell. I mean, see it, can we? Now I'll get the torch. I can't see it. No wonder you're off to. No, I'm not a dodgy fucking toilet fitter. Good, no more missed calls, it's fucking late enough. What am I looking for? Where's the bell end? The torches are amazing. Dickhead. Just get off. Okay. Why am I struggling so much? Ooh, yeah, get on there. Whack load down that side. Loads more down there. Put on this corner, because obviously I'm going to fucking stick otherwise. Yeah, nice. That's dry quite quick. Because there's quite a big area. And then it wants to dry at the same or a similar time. Yeah. Nearly off, yeah. Ready? Flames. Oh. There you go. Just helps to glue, cure. Some people would say don't, but it definitely helps them stick. Nice, now that is the stickiest bit of rubber you've probably ever seen. That's it. Make sure we get it back enough nice. Split it there, lift it. Now let's crease it. There you go, nice. I'll try and touch it like the fucking plug catch. There you go. Getting good at this, isn't it? You don't have to touch it though. You need to. Do that. Let's make sure we lay flat. And yes, it's upside down. Yeah, nice. Just doing that to make sure it's flat, so. Oh, I can't believe that's upside down, I've got a dickhead. Are you not bothered by an upside down patch in the tyre? Does it really fucking matter? Always get a stick to it, roll in. Horizontal. Diagonal? Yeah, fuck it, why not? Just like that. And then he's going to get something to fucking pull the finish down. Unless it's fucking good off. I might figure it out. Oh yeah, I've just remembered I haven't got fingernails. Where is those? Oh. Don't jinx yourself, but you missed all of that. I don't know the last thing you saw actually. Probably not even me putting the fucking hammer back there when I needed it. But anyway, I'll fucking repair the hole. Put a big patch in it, don't know if you saw that actually. Now let's go and plate it. Oh. Straight up. Well. There you go. So yeah, probably just been plating it now. Probably put about 55 in it. I'll obviously check the other side just to put them at the same. Might as well let me jack down now, know what I'm here. Fucking hell then. End of that bike now, fucking stupid. Yeah, I could have plugged it, but I'd rather just do the job properly. Alright, it took me fucking 25 minutes longer, but who cares? They look happy, didn't they? Oh, you're a fucking indie. 460, 70, 24. Ah, that's why it weren't that bad. Made in India. Right, so it's up to about 40 at the minute, so I'm just gonna play the 6 away. Putting that in. I've got to make sure that don't leak because there's no ring on the bottom of that. I just do a split. Nice. No leaky leaky. Big back out there, no lose it. Take this one back. I'm nearly done, actually. Not done toast. Is that a good sign? Let's say it's exactly 40. Oh, just double check. Mine's got 40 in it, this looks a bit lower than 40. I'm not going to adjust it, or it takes fucking ages. 35, that's about right. Oh, this one's still a Michelin. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, that'll do. We'll check the dust cap, check the valve even, not dust cap. We'll put the dust cap back on though. That's definitely more thing. That's picking right up. Don't kill smoking now, do we? Just smoke beef. Just don't pick them shit up on the way back. Turn that fucking noise compressor off with them. All good, all good. All good gravy. I'm literally just treading shell shit all in my van. Lush. So if I come out to you tomorrow and van's things like shit, this is why. It's not me for once, it's actually a genuine reason. Alright, alright, that went down there. They went down there. You went down there. Oh shit, yeah, you go in there. You went in there. I can block it. Because all this goes over there. You fucking need charging. Shit. You go in there. Oh, I always was at dinosaurs and you know that. Roar. But if you haven't seen him, I sound like a rock smack, don't I? But there you go. I'm trying to put my van back in order because I just fucking drive off in jobs normally. My van is a shit.